what's up? This is Panchal and welcome into a new video. In this video, I will give you 5 tips and tricks to help you achieve academic success. I am giving you these tips because I follow them very strictly and very regularly, and it has helped me achieve academic success. I have also been a topper all my life. So I know that these tips and tricks will help you if you follow them strictly. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get on with the first tip. So the first tip is to have a study routine. I don't sleep late at night, nor do I wake up early in the morning. So the best study time for me is in the evening from 4 to 6. So I study during that time and I study wholeheartedly and I be consistent with it. I study during that time every day. So whether it's morning, night, evening, choose the time which suits you best and then stay constant with it and stick to it. So guys, the second tip is to take breaks after 35 to 40 minutes or however long you can sit in one sitting. You should take breaks of about 5 to 6 minutes. Walk around and do stretching during these breaks. Here's a pro tip. Don't watch your phone, iPad or any other gadget because that might distract you and then it will be very hard to build up your focus again. So guys, the third tip is to have a personal study space. Even if it is a small corner in your room, have it as a study space. Keep your notepads, registers, pens, highlighters and other study material there. So whenever you sit down to study, your brain will know that it's study time and then it will be much easier for you to develop your focus, and you won't have to go here and there hunting for your supplies all the time and divert your concentration. So guys, the fourth tip is to make a to-do list. This list should be made daily. If you have more homework, then do less self-study. But if you have less homework, then do more self-study. The goals you set should be realistic. You should avoid spillovers. This list should be made according to your ability to learn and your speed to work. You should maintain a balance. So guys, my fifth tip is revise. Revision and review is essential. It will help you consolidate your learning. I revise everything that I have learned and did during the whole week on Saturdays. So guys, you need to develop your own study style. It might take some time initially before you are able to come up with new routines and schedules of your own. But remember this, don't follow anyone blindly. So guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that it was helpful to you. If you liked the video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notifications bell. Also share my video with your friends and family and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye! Guys, soon I am going to make a video of how I organize my study area. So stay tuned for it. Also smash that like and subscribe button. Let's aim for 30 likes on this video. So guys, the second tip is, what was it?